Ever wondered if there's a way to enhance your typing experience on your iOS device? Welcome to the world of custom keyboards, where you can choose from a wide array of keyboards offering various features, such as gesture typing, multilingual support, and even integrated GIF search. By heading to Settings and navigating to General, then Keyboard and Keyboards, you can add these personalized keyboards to switch up your typing style in no time. This tweak not only boosts productivity, but also adds a fun twist to your daily tech interactions. If you find this tip helpful, remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights, and stay tuned for our next video.